100 kalimat bahasa Inggris mudah dan pendek untuk anak dan pemula. It's fun. How's it going? Have a great weekend. What time is it? Where are you? Where are you from? I'm from Indonesia. I'm Indonesian. What's this? What's this for? What's that? How much is this? Can you help me? I need help. Can you repeat that? I'm a student. My father is a teacher. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is black. How's the weather today? It's sunny. What's your phone number? Do you have any siblings? Where do you live? I live in Jakarta. I'd like a tea. How much does it cost? I'm lost. What's your favorite food? I like pizza. Can I have a glass of water? Where's the restroom? Can I try this on? I'm looking for a book. Do you speak English? I'm learning English. What's your hobby? I like to read. How's your day? It's a beautiful day. What's your plan for today? I don't like spicy food. How's your family? They are doing well. What's your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Spider-Man. Can you open the window? Can you open the door? It's too hot in here. What's the Wi-Fi password? Can you take a picture of us? I like to travel. What's your favorite sport? I enjoy playing soccer. I'm not feeling well. I'm scared. It's bedtime. Where's mommy? Where's daddy? I like ice cream. I don't like vegetables. Can I watch TV? What's that sound? It's raining. I want to go outside. Can I have a pet? It's time for school. I'm ready. Can we go to the park? Can we visit Grandma? Can I have a birthday party? It's time for a bath. I need to brush my teeth. I need to put on my shoes. Can we go to the zoo? Can we go to the beach? I want to build a sandcastle. I want to ride my bike. I want to go swimming. I want to visit the library. I want to help you. My dad is a superhero. I want to draw a picture. I want to read a book. Can I have a glass of milk? I want to tell you a story. I want to sing a song. I want to dance. I want to play with my friends. Can we have a picnic? I want to learn something new. I'm so happy to see you. I like your shirt. What's for dinner? I have a question. Can you wait a moment? I have a cat. I have a dog. I like this place. I want to go home. I'm in a hurry. Selamat belajar dan sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya. Dadah!